Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to me. Hey Honey Clouds fam, welcome back to the 30 of our 30-day challenge. It's a wrap. So today I will be treating myself on a budget. Let's go. So we'll start by adding in our mayonnaise and our ketchup. We'll be making use of a homemade ketchup here. So if you like to have the recipe, do let me know in the comments and I will make that happen. So we're just gonna give that a mix. Guys, I'm so excited. Don't blame me, it's my birthday. So adding your yaji. Honestly, I love my I love mine spiced up. And there is this thing I actually want people to know. There is no bus stop to any food recipe. Like the earlier you realize that your recipe is not the final bus stop, the better for you, for the all of us. So I realized that the cream was not enough. It was not enough, so I have to add in one extra mayonnaise. One extra mayonnaise because I'm using the sachet. Remember, we said on a budget, we are making this on a budget, so I added a little bit of milk, just a little bit.
So this is what we have here. We have our chicken, we have our carrots, and we have this.
So we are just going to add our shredded cabbage, carrots, and chicken. The chicken have been grilled and spiced, so you can do whatever you wish with yours. You can use beef or any other protein of your choice. Even if you like pork, any kind of meat actually. So I'll be adding in a little bit of hot pepper for more spice. I love mine spiced up, honestly. So I'm just doing it the way I love it on a budget. And here comes our king. We made this yesterday. We made the shawarma wraps yesterday. So if you've not seen the video, if you've not checked out the recipe, go and check it out, and I'll be adding in the link to the video somewhere in this video, maybe the description, the caption, and what do you call it, the comment sections. Just check out for it. Then add in your veggies, add in your mixture and it's a wrap. So who told you if you don't have 5k and above you cannot make shawarma at home? No, you can run it on a budget and actually do it exactly the way you will love it. Do you get? So let me know your thoughts in the comments. Do you think this worth your time? Are you going to try it? And do give me a thumbs up if you learned anything new in this video. Thank you for your resilience and bye.